extended reality details. These details are manufactured by abstract forces that attract attention, unconscious response. News are the portal of authentic truth, distorted mirror that attracts as much attention as can be grabbed, hypnotic serial killer that is enough to maintain attention till advertisement. Theater, when impotent, instead of feeling of next to godliness or cosmic in intention or actions, illusions that are manufactured by details fought for in writer's block. Demagogy is attracting attention forces are eliciting nausea that is converted into music and repetition till nausea. Words that lost their value, grace, forgiveness, surrender. Sent things and censorship and control and oppression came out of lethargy. Unconscious came with symbols. These symbols are absurd in some moment, repeating the same symbol and set of decisions and directions. Definition of craziness, repeating the same thing in the hope of getting new result. Super id, initiation from lethargy, primitive id, craziness as learned absurdity and learned absurdity as surviving necessity, showing us theatrality with impotence, repeating till hypnotic trance state, tactily or materially feeling of time, theatrality as escapism from reality of occurring events.